very much arranged marriage now.
Forced arrangement.
Arranged marriage.
Acceptance towards listening to a new band, whatever it is. I mean, we've felt that. We've known when we see in the audience there are people who have no idea who we are.
Hi, when Chai Met Toast. So you just reached here today or
Yesterday.
yesterday? I'll have to pass on the mic one by one. So Shillong, as you know, is known for two things. One is live music, and people's love for food. So how does it feel performing here in Shillong?
No, it's beautiful. We always love coming to this part of the country. I think we were talking amongst ourselves that this is one place where people appreciate English music a lot.
Yeah.
And we listen to a lot of English music even in the restaurants. So it's a lovely crowd. People have come up in numbers and we're really excited for the concert. In terms of food, I think he can give a better answer.
No.
The third best thing is food.
No. We've tried. Like the first thing we did when we came here, there's this place called Trattoria. I'm gonna just keep telling the name again because that Trattoria in Police Bazaar, I guess. Yeah, it is one of the best meals that I've ever had in my entire life. Yeah, please. I think everybody should go there, and we love the food of Shillong. We'd love to every time we go anywhere, we'd love to try out cuisines and I think that's what a place represents. I think second or third. Fourth. Third. Yeah, we played Weekender before, so that's why. Yeah.
And we've played multiple festivals here as well.
Yeah. I think third time.
So your band's name is as intriguing as your music. Okay?
I was waiting for the question.
I think many people have already asked you that earlier, but I'm not aware. So maybe over the years it has evolved, so meaning has also changed. Okay. Who would want to answer that?
I don't want to.
No, it's just about, like chai being the Indian element and toast being the English folk. That's the meaning that has evolved over the years, like you said. But initially, there's no big story. It's just something.
Okay, that works. The simpler the better. Even music is simple and it connects to people. And last year, one of your songs, it's very old song, first song I think, Joy of Little Things. It went viral on the reels. So now that TikTok and reels have come into the picture, that's where music is getting promoted. Even old songs are getting more hyped up now. So what do you think about that? Social media, how does it play a big role in promoting songs these days?
I think generally, as time passes by, every year new things come. There are new ways of promoting music. There are new ways of releasing music. Probably before we released in 2015, there were cassettes and CDs. Before that, there was gramophones. So I think it depends on time to time, and you have to adjust to the time as well. So right now, what we're doing is the same thing. We're shooting reels. We're trying to make as much content as possible. It's not just about being a musician. It's about trying to be a creator and making things available for people, and so that people can get to it. And we're glad that Joy became a part of reels and it just took off. We never thought it would, but it just happened. And the good part is, I think older songs also has a capability to hit through reels, even if it's released in the past.
So people may not know the singers, but they know the song. They may not know the faces behind When Chai Met Toast, but they know When Chai Met Toast, and they know the songs of When Chai Met Toast. And there's a song that it's my personal favorite. That's When We Feel Young. I really love that. So what was the idea behind the lyrics of the song and the composition? Who? You went to the honors.
Conversation, there is nothing much happening. I think, where did we write this song? Was in
It just came together.
It was mostly in Bombay.
Bombay. So we always have this voice note that when we travel, we do all the voice notes. So one day we sat in the studio and worked it out. And Achita and Talli, Ashwin, yeah. So they were the one who wrote the lyrics.
Yeah, lyrically it talks about eternal love. It's about growing old together. It's inspired by our parents. So yeah, I think it's one track that we all love performing live as well. It's got a great sing along. A lot of people love it. It's
So will you be performing the song today as well?
maybe.
Oh, okay, so you're keeping it a suspense. So recently you had US tour, if I'm not wrong. So how does it feel like connecting with audience outside India and India? How does it differ? And in general, how does it feel like connecting with the audience? How do they respond to your music?
I think in US now we have the people who came for like past shows. So they when moved on to US, they were the one like super fan. So they come like some people have came for like 17 shows. So like 17, some couple hardcore, yeah. So they bring out their friends with them like.
Yeah, I mean, my responses sometimes tend to be controversial, but what I felt is there is a lot more acceptance towards new music there rather than coming with a preset notion of I want to hear this song or I want to hear this film music. That acceptance towards listening to a new band, whatever it is. I mean, we've felt that, we've known when we see in the audience there are people who have no idea who we are, but they'll enjoy the vibe, they'll enjoy the music, they'll go home, check out the new music. That is something I've always felt of performing.
He's a very
outside.
American boy.
Yeah.
It's also common in the Northeast, I guess.
Of course, it is common. So when you're writing songs, do you guys fight as well? Like, I want this lyrics.
Yeah.
Who does it the
It
most?
used to be, but it's been 10 years since we've been together. We've crossed that phase of a nuclear explosion of the band, so we've settled down. And
very,
been
very much arranged marriage now.
Forced arrangement.
Arranged marriage. So, on that note, so I think the band started in 2016 formally, or before that?
2015 end.
50 and okay, 16. So, how has it evolved over the years as a band? How all of you have evolved as individuals, as a band, and your music?
Yeah. That's like life goes on. See, both of us have lost hair.
Yeah.
We had so much hair back in the day. Achit is still growing it. Pali has a boy now. Young Isaiah, who is like 3-year-old, and all three of us are married. So obviously, and AJ, musically, I'll get there. I'm just let me just go the flow. So yeah. Individually, I think everybody has their own share of like experience now, exposure, and at the same time, we've seen a lot of places because we've traveled so much. We've toured. We're a touring band, like hands down touring band. So we've traveled so much that right now I'm standing with a shirt on at Shillong. So it's fine, right? So we've grown to that. We've grown to that level. So, but musically, I'd say every single song is a new thing for us, and we try to incorporate new elements. We try to incorporate things that we've seen. We try to incorporate things that we've felt. People that has met us, like so things around, honestly speaking, about life and things that have been around us. So I think musically, lyrically speaking, I think we speak about that. Musically and production wise, I think you should.
When we travel, like when once we went to Gangtok, we had 3 days. So we went to like so many places and sat there and wrote songs. Like that actually helped us.
So, did you write any song about Shillong or for Shillong? Are you planning to write one? I mean, you just pulled that. You said you wrote about Sikkim.
In the new album, we've written about a place, but I don't want to mention the place yet. But yes, places and people play a huge role in what we write and what we put out as music.
I'll end with just one question because there are people waiting. If you were to dedicate one song of When Chai Met Toast to this beautiful town, what would that be?
Oh, I think it should be Yellow Paper Daisy. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you so much. It was lovely speaking with all of you. Thank you.